Using mixins and generics, we were able to reduce the number of lines of code significantly. But you see, we still had to write two classes for handling the standard CRUD operations, like employees and employee detail classes. In Django REST Framework, we have another super powerful module called Viewsets. As the name says, it's a set of views. It combines the functionalities of both views and the serializers, making it even easier to perform standard CRUD operations. We have two implementations for Viewsets. One is you can either extend viewsets.viewset or we can extend viewsets.modelViewset. If you extend viewsets.viewset, you'll have to provide these inbuilt functions such as list, create, retrieve, update, and delete. Okay, so you'll be having one view class that will handle all of these operations such as listing all the data, creating a new data, retrieving a single object or the single data, and updating an existing data and deleting the data. Okay. Now, if you extend viewsets.modelViewsets, it just takes only querySet and serializer class and automatically provides you with primary key based and non-primary key based functionalities. The way this viewset work is with something called routers. Django REST Framework provides a router class that automatically determines the URL patterns for us. All we need to do is register our view to the router. That's it. So this simply means that you don't have to create the URL patterns explicitly. Okay. So in the next couple of videos, we will work practically on viewsets, model viewsets, and router classes.